Generators use a function and yield values to iterate on. This function even is a generator. It returns even numbers from num and below up to 0. So for each value yielded by a call to even with the value 8, we print the value. We can also implement generators using comprehension. This is a generator expression. Iterators let us traverse over a collection of values. They do not yield. This is an iterator on the list 3, 4, 5. The next value we have is 3. The next is 4. Next is 5. And now there's nothing left to traverse, so it raises a stop iteration. We can also build iterators for custom classes. Iterators are slower and more complex than generators. A generator returns a generator object, and an iterator returns an iterator object. Generators are less memory efficient. This is a generator, and this iterator holds 16 bytes. So that's one difference. Yes, generators are also iterators, and an iterator is also an iterable.